Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are embarking on an extremely comprehensive, deep dive, and step-by-step exploration of the brand new Apple Watch Ultra 3 to see everything it brings to the table and whether it is truly worth your hard-earned attention, investment, and upgrade time this year. If you have been following our tech channel updates and product reviews closely, you know for a fact that we never settle for superficial overviews. Instead, we always test these high-end flagship devices to their absolute limits in real-world scenarios. Today, we are breaking down every single microscopic aspect of its architecture, industrial design, aerospace-grade build quality, next-generation display technology, sophisticated sensor arrays, battery performance metrics, and advanced cellular and satellite connectivity features in exhaustive detail. Our goal is to provide you with the most thorough analysis available anywhere online, ensuring you understand every single upgrade, micro-improvement, and hardware shift it offers over past generations so you can make a fully informed buying decision. To truly appreciate what Apple has achieved with this latest release, we need to take a step back and look at how it stacks up against the previous generation and why this particular product cycle feels entirely different from everything we have seen before. While the Ultra 12 was undeniably a phenomenal piece of consumer hardware that handled everyday productivity tasks, intense sports training routines, and comprehensive fitness tracking very well, the new Ultra 3 takes things to a completely different plateau of technological innovation and engineering refinement. When you place both devices side by side on your desk under studio lighting, the very first thing that will instantly catch your eye is the completely redesigned, expanded, and modernized display housing. Apple engineers have managed to push the boundaries of wearable engineering even further by introducing a stunning 1.98-inch LTPO3 OLED display that boasts an incredible peak outdoor brightness of 3000 nits. What makes this display truly remarkable, however, is the structural reduction in bezel size, featuring a remarkable 24% thinner bezels compared to the Ultra 12. This subtle yet impactful physical adjustment dramatically alters the visual footprint of the watch, making the screen area feel vastly more expansive, borderless, and modern. Furthermore, this new display panel brings the highly anticipated and much requested always-on seconds hand feature directly to your wrist. In practical terms, this means the display feels truly edge-to-edge, remains significantly brighter and clearer under harsh, direct midday sunlight, and delivers an immersive visual experience that completely eclipses its predecessor in every single usage scenario you can possibly imagine. Moving forward from the exterior visual changes into the internal performance architecture, health tracking ecosystems, and overall connectivity infrastructure, this is where the performance gap between the two devices widens even further into a chasm. The Ultra 3 comes packed with the latest generation of advanced watchOS capabilities, running on a faster, more power-efficient system in package that ensures fluid animations, instant app loading times, and zero stutter during heavy multitasking. Alongside this hardware boost comes a much smarter and proactive AI health coach. This intelligent software layer does not just passively record your metrics. It actively analyzes your daily routines, sleep architecture, recovery scores, and ongoing fitness progress to offer personalized, actionable insights in real time. For media lovers and offline users, Apple has included a generous 64 gigabytes of internal storage, giving you ample space to store massive local music playlists, podcasts, and offline topographic maps for your phone-free excursions. On top of that, the inclusion of dual L1 plus L5 GPS ensures pinpoint outdoor location accuracy, eliminating tracking drift even when you are navigating through dense urban canyons surrounded by towering skyscrapers or deep, winding mountain gorges. However, the absolute biggest game-changer, headline feature, and technological leap forward on the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is the native inclusion of high-speed 5G support and Emergency SOS via satellite. While the previous Ultra 12 relied purely on standard cellular LTE or short-range Bluetooth connections when you ventured out of range or went completely off-grid, the Ultra 3 completely redefines remote safety and communication. It ensures you stay securely connected, capable of sending emergency texts, sharing your live coordinates, and receiving critical weather updates even when you are trekking through remote mountain ranges, deep unexplored forests, or isolated hiking trails where traditional terrestrial cellular towers simply do not exist. This single upgrade transforms the device from a mere luxury fitness tracker into an essential, life-saving piece of backcountry survival gear for serious explorers and outdoor enthusiasts. Battery life is naturally another major department where daily users, frequent travelers, and extreme outdoor adventurers will notice a massive, tangible, and practical upgrade that fundamentally changes how you interact with your wearable device. While the Ultra 12 gave you solid daily performance that typically required a nightly top-up, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 aggressively pushes the hardware envelope much further. It delivers an astonishing 42 hours of normal, uninterrupted battery life on a single charge. For those embarking on multi-day backcountry trips, this endurance can be extended even further using its specialized, highly optimized low-power workout modes that intelligently manage sensor polling rates without sacrificing crucial safety tracking. Moreover, the inclusion of upgraded ultra-fast charging support means you can gain hours of usable power in just a short 15-minute pit stop. This completely eliminates the anxiety of constantly tethering your watch to a wall charger during busy workdays, airport layovers, or extended wilderness camping trips. From a structural durability standpoint, the watch is built with a rugged Grade 5 titanium case, a resilient front sapphire crystal protecting the delicate display components, and strict adherence to military-grade MIL, STD, 810H durability standards. It is physically engineered to survive extreme thermal shocks, high-velocity impacts, corrosive salt water environments, and any other harsh weather conditions you might subject it to. Positioned in the market with a starting price of $799 and arriving officially for consumers in September 2026, the device is made available in a selection of gorgeous, striking finishes like natural titanium and black titanium that look exceptionally premium, understated, and professional in any formal business setting or casual outdoor environment. Ultimately, whether you should choose to make the financial leap and upgrade depends entirely on your personal lifestyle requirements. Specifically, whether you genuinely need that massive edge-to-edge display, advanced 5G capabilities, satellite connectivity for remote travel, and extended multi-day battery life for your daily routines or weekend adventures. If you want to check out our exhaustive, detailed technical breakdown, rigorous hands-on field testing, and full review of the Ultra 12 to see how the software and hardware lineage evolved to reach this exact milestone, that complete video is already fully uploaded and waiting right here on my YouTube channel, so please make sure to go check it out. Thank you so much for watching this comprehensive guide, and stay tuned for more.